VHDL interview questions. Question number 1. What is VHDL? VHDL stands for VSIC, Hardware Description Language. VSIC in turn stands for Very High Speed Integrated Circuit. VHDL is a language that describes the behavior and the structure of electronic circuits, most commonly digital circuits. VHDL is defined by IEEE standard. There are two common variants, VHDL 1987 and VHDL 1993. Still we are using VHDL 93. Question number 2. What can be the various uses of VHDL? The VHDL language can be used for the following purposes. First one, for describing hardware as a modeling language, for a simulation of hardware, for early performance estimation of system architecture, for the synthesis of hardware. Question number 3. List out the objects of VHDL. VHDL has 4 objects. First one, signal. The signal represents interconnection wires between two ports. Variable. The variable locally stores temporary data and it is used only inside a sequential statement. That means process, function and procedures. Constant. The constant names specific values to make the model better documented and easy to update. File. The file type is used to access file on disk. It is used only in test bench. In fact, file type cannot be implemented in hardware. Question number 4. Which are the major data types in VHDL? Basically, there are two data types. First one, scalar types and the other one, composite types. Question number 5. Which are the two composite types? Array. Arrays are used to hold multiple values of the same type under a single identifier. Record. Records are used to specify one or more different elements and each element has a different name and different type. Question number 6. List out the 4 modes of port in VHDL. In, out, in-out and buffer. Question number 7. List out the levels of abstractions in VHDL. There are 3 levels of abstractions. First one, data flow level. Data flow modeling can be described based on the Boolean expression. It shows how the data flows from input to output. It works on concurrent execution. Behavioral level. Behavioral modeling is used to execute statements sequentially. It shows that how the system performs according to the current statement. Third one, structural level. Structural modeling is used to specify the functionality and the structure of the circuit. We have the fourth one, mixed level. That is, we can use combination of any of the above modeling styles. You may use more than one modeling style. Question number 8. Which type of assignment statements will be used in data flow level and behavioral level? Concurrent statements will be used in data flow level. Sequential statements will be used in behavioral level. Question number 9. What do we need to generate hardware from VHDL model? We need the following tools: simulation, synthesis tool, implementation tool. Question number 10. Are Verilog or VHDL concurrent or sequential language in nature? Verilog and VHDL both are concurrent languages. Any hardware description language is concurrent in nature. Thanks for watching. If this video is useful, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.